Hello everyone, this is a model number 688 power loom automation over IoT. So first we will see the hardware. This is a adapter. We have given power from here. Arduino Uno, RFID reader, ESP8266, Wi-Fi module, relay for switching the motor, and here is the motor and the proximity sensor to measure the length of the cloth. Here is the buzzer. So we will see the working, then we can understand the application of the project. Now there are multiple user cards, RFID cards. Suppose 4 number user come here and he has put the card on the RFID reader. So here we can see card 4 detected, authorized card is detected, and the loom will start, machine will start the processing. And here we can see the counting of the cloth. Now 2 meter, total 2. Again, if 4 number member came, then motor automatically stop. So we can see it automatically stop, and it's continuously uploading data over the IoT. So after every 30 seconds, initially it was the 00. In next cycle it will send the the present data. So now we can see the fourth user work has 2 meter done. So total is also we can see 2 meter. So like that all data continuously uploading on the IoT. Now suppose this 2 number user will come and press the card. So that will be start. And suppose in that, suppose 3 number person come. So we can see wrong user because present user is a 2 number. So that's why 2 number has to be come to off the machine. Authorized card is detected. Now data is uploading. So we can see for the 2 number 1 meter has completed. So we can see that data will reflect on the IoT platform. See here. So user number 2 has completed 1 meter work. User number 4 has completed 2 number work, and that's why total is a 3 meter. So like that it continuously monitoring the work for each and every user, count the total work, displaying on the LCD as well as displaying on the IoT platform. So that's the project. Thank you.